Okay, what I'm doing in this chapter is I just want to show you one or two of the professional aspects of being a momentum trader. This is a performance chart. It goes by year, goes by month. This is the kind of thing that you as a professional trader should have. What your performance has been month on month. Unless we're doing this for fun, which I doubt you are if we're looking at a professional trading product, then I want to just take you through some of the kinds of things that you need to have. And how does this work? Well, it shows, for example's sake, let's say we started in January 1989 with £10,000. We were down 0.48%. The next month we were up 1.77%. The way you calculate this is you're up 1.77% on the money you were left with at the end of January. And the money you were left with is formed in two parts. All your holdings marked to market, in other words, what they would be were you to close them at the end of January, plus the cash you've got left. And that's how you work out your performance. Now, believe it or not, many people have great difficulty in actually being able to do even that simple arithmetic calculation. But your performance minus 0.48% is, as I say, a product of both being the value of the stocks marked to market, that is what they are worth on the books, plus the cash or profit or loss, whatever it is you have. And by the way, this isn't what's called additive. In other words, you can't just add minus 0.48 to 1.77 to minus 4.69 to 3.13 and come up with this total. It's multiplicative. What does that mean? And as a trader, you need to know this. What that means is if you start off with £10,000 and you go down to, say, £9,000 and then up to £11,000, well, obviously each month you're dealing with the money you have left over from the previous month. So each one of these figures is how much you made that month on the money you had with the start of the month. It's not how much you've made or lost on your notional initial capital. The reason I want to make that clear is, believe it or not, many traders simply don't know how well or how poorly they're performing. If you don't know that as a momentum trader, then how on earth can you determine whether your system's working well or not? That's why I wanted to do this very brief chapter on performance and its importance for evaluating, as professional traders, our abilities. There's going to be a few other chapters on some of these key elements, which, to be honest, only professional traders from hedge funds would know about and have detail on some of the forthcoming chapters. But I want you to know this so you can see how in the bigger picture, as somebody who's willing to be more advanced in their education on trading, how everything fits into the bigger picture.